Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, I am going to show you how we can change the Google AdSense account without affect the monetization, without lose our revenue. If you have the YouTube channel and then you are working in the overseas, you get the payments in the overseas. Now if you want to move out in your original country, how you are going to solve this issue and then get the payments in your original country. So you can get in this video the best solution how you can change the Google AdSense account without affect your monetization, without lose your revenue. Then my second point is for the Pakistani residents who have the Urdu CNIC and they want to create the Google AdSense account on Urdu CNIC, so you can get also help from this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic and continue. Okay friends, we are in our channel, so we click the right side our channel icon, then go to the YouTube studio. Then you can see here the monetization tab. Now you can see here the YouTube partner program options. AdSense account is active, and then you can see the publisher ID is 230 last. Even we go to the Google AdSense account, this one is Google AdSense account, you can see here 230 last is my publisher ID. So I want to change the Google AdSense account. So before we change, you must have one new fresh email that previously don't have any Google AdSense account. So I already created my one email, fresh email. So I want to now change this AdSense account to other new email. So I click the change. Then now the asking verify it's you. So we need to confirm first and before we proceed. So we click the proceed. Now asking the our email and password, the current email and password. So we click the next. I already put the password. Now asking the phone confirmation. So once we verify already the account, so here is asking the Google, you will be redirected to AdSense to complete these steps. So we just continue. Now here is asking which account you want to continue for the AdSense. Previously I mentioned you that we need to create an email. It doesn't have any Google AdSense account, so we need to select that email that previously don't have any Google AdSense account. So we select the new email just I created. I select that email. So you can see here this one is the new email I created, and then my channel URL also here. And then here is asking Google that get more out of AdSense, the customization help or performance suggestions. So if you want customization or performance suggestions, select the yes. If you don't want, you select no. So I am just selecting here the yes. Then now here is asking the which country you are belongs. So we select our Pakistan. I am making this AdSense in the Pakistan. Then here is the agreement terms and condition from the Google AdSense. If you want to read, you can read, and then continue. Yes, I have read and accept all the agreements. So create account. So now here is asking the get started. So we just click the get started. So this one is the most important things to fill up the form. So you need to select your account type. If you have the business account, you can select here the business account, but I create the individual account, so I just select the individual account. Then here is the asking the name and address. Name and address, I need to select the as per our government ID. As you can see, this one is my brother ID. It's written in the Urdu language, so I need to fill the same as Urdu, not in the English. Some people here mistaken, they have the CNIC in the Urdu language and then they fill up the form in the English. Once identity verification, it's very difficult to verify your identity, so I need to follow the same steps as per my ID. So I fill here the same name as per ID in the Urdu. So I just cut the surname. Then address, you can fill up the in English, it doesn't matter. So address you can fill up the in the English as per ID, but you can write in the English. But the most important is the name. Must, if your name is in the CNIC only in the Urdu, you need to write the only in Urdu, not in the English. Then you type your city, then city postal code. You can search in the Google. I search already our city code, so just paste here. Then phone number is optional, but I'm going to put here my phone number also, the Pakistan phone number. So you double check first before you submit the form. Your name is correct, your address is correct, and then your postal code is correct, and then phone number is optional if you want put. If you don't want put also, it's okay. So click the submit. Now you need to wait a few seconds to redirect in the YouTube Studio. So click the redirect. So we redirect already in the monetization tab. You can see here the step 1 is done, review partner program terms, it's already done. Then second step, Google AdSense account in progress. Just now we made the new AdSense account, so it take around 8 to 12 hours to review, and then after that it will notify you it's done, or any mistaken or whatever, it's they will send you the email in the Google AdSense. So we need to wait also that one. Then the third step also, you can see here the step 3 done, get reviewed. So our channel doesn't affect any monetization, just we need to wait for the Google AdSense to approve our new Google AdSense account. So we need to wait and then continue. So we need to wait and then see the next step how. Then I will show you to complete this all the process. Okay friends, so now 8 hours already. We just check and refresh our page if our Google AdSense approve or how. So I just refresh the page. Wow, so you can see here my AdSense already changed. The previous AdSense I show you, the previous AdSense is different. This one is my previous AdSense. Then you can see here the publisher ID. Show you publisher ID is 230 last. And then now I change this one, new AdSense connected 375 last. So our AdSense already approved without affect the monetization. You can see here the monetization is on, and then if we check the analytics, even our revenue also, it's here, all here. So it doesn't affect any monetization once we change the
Google AdSense during the monetization. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.